Hello, assalamualaikum. It's me, Indar Mom of Ayaran. Today, I will show you. Right now, I'm making simple patchwork for my overlock machine covers. But before I upload the video how to make the cover, I will show you how to manage, how to make the patterns with the scraps and but of course, before I start, please support this channel by give me your thumbs up, leave your comment below and share and hit the notification button so you will get notification if I upload new videos. Thank you. Hello, I have a lot of scraps here and I want to make it something. I have two ways to make it. First, you just can join them in a certain just like a simple pattern, just like this, and or we can make this pattern. Yeah. First, I have a lot of motifs and colors here. So what I first to do is I put something small with big and scrap with a small motif with a big motif, but they match in colors. For example, this one. Yes, this one I have a very beautiful, very adorable motif, penny. Oh yeah, I've already uploaded my videos about backpack, penny backpack. First, let me put this side so I can work with this. Okay, I have a pile of this and this one, so I just can put from this motif with the soft pink colors and this big one, big motif with a small motif, but it still have the same tones, colors. So I just can make this one just like this. I just can put it in order with a very simple motif, just like this. Okay, done. See, first patterns. Okay, then this is the example for my first motif, just like it. And for the second patterns, what I want to do is I just put it aside and move it into this one, and of course I have to make a kind of movement here, so it's right here, and of course it has to move here and here. See, with the same scraps we can make two patterns for our case. Okay, now how to make this precisely sewing. Their seams match in the at the corner, so what I have to do is I make I mark this. So I don't need to mark all of this, but I just need the center one. So I just put it aside and I will mark this. And because since it's 10 by 10 centimeters, so I will make this 8 by 8. So this is how I managed to put their corner meets. First, I don't need to mark all of this. I just need to make sure that this is the okay, just like this. This is the first needle, the first center of scrap, the first center scraps, the first, and this is the second. I'm so sorry if my English is not so good, because as you know that I'm from Indonesia, so English is not my mother tongue. Okay, just like this. And after I mark all the center, I just arrange to put this end just like this. So I know where to start and where to stop. Where am I stopping? Here. The poor Didi. I call it the poor Didi. So just like this. I put a pin, or I'll stitch it. And for the of course I will put it. And after I stitch this, of course I will open it, and then I put this and stitch it. Okay, so this is a first panel. So just pin it to put it as one, and for the second I'll do the same. I just put it, and I don't need, since I've already know where to start and where to end this panel, so I just keep it into one. And this is for my middle panels, and just like this. And for the third, it's always the same, just like this. Oh no, I don't need it. Nice, just like this. So I know where to start, and like this. And this is how I arrange the first, middle, and first, second, and third. And I'll do, and after I make one row, and when I finish with one row, just like this, I will join it into one. Okay, done with the small panels. Now we will join it into one, and this is how I manage into ones. First, I will start sewing this one, and this is how I put the seams, and just like this. And first I will keep their it is exactly just like this. They meet, and then I stitch it. And of course, first I have to make sure that the line is matching, so I put the pin here and make sure that they just like this. The pin get through to and exactly to the line. And done with the first joining panel, I join the third, and of course this is how I manage to lace the seams. Okay, that's it, and hope you enjoy this tutorial. See you on my real project with this kind of scraps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification button so you will get notification if I upload new videos. Thank you. Stay safe. Assalamualaikum.